What is that, Tay? Is that a bird? They're up in that tree now, Nene. Taylan, don't go in the parking lot. No, no. I don't want you in the parking lot. No, no. Tay. Hey. No, no. This is dangerous. Come over here. Come over here. We'll find some more birds elsewhere. Look over there. Look, you see the birds? Look over there. Look, Tay. Birds. Over there. By the trash. Look, Tay. Look over there. There's some birds. You see them? Go get them birds, Nene. Say, ah! Bye-bye, birds. Come here, Tay. Don't go in the parking lot. Come here. Come here. Ah. Ah. Bye-bye. Tay, don't go in there. No, no. This is no, no. I don't want you in the parking lot. Someone stop it. No, no, that's not... No, no. Come over here. That's not a car. Do you want to go bye-bye? You want to go home? We'll go home if you want to. Is that what you're saying? You want to go bye-bye? Good job. But can you make it up? Hey, Tay. Let's not do that.